Hey, good looking. You want to sit there and see what we have cooking today in my kitchen? Well, go ahead, grab a hold of that vine, swing right onto my kitchen, and let's get cooking. Good looking. Well, hey there, good looking. I'm so glad that you came to my kitchen today because remember I showed you how to make the chaga tea? Well, I'm going to sit there and show you another way of how we can sit there and have a nice cup of chaga. But this time, we're going to do it my way. Because if I have to have this chaga tea, I'm doing it my way because I'm not a tea lover like I told you all. And we're going to make it my way. We're going to have chaga hot chocolate. That's right. So, I'm going to sit there and take 1 cup, and I have 1 cup of milk right here. I'm going to go ahead, open up my Instant Pot. I have the insert in. I'm going to sit there and put 1 cup of milk into my Instant Pot. Now, I have 1 cup here of the chaga tea. Go ahead, put that down in our Instant Pot. Now, let's add the rest of the glorious ingredients. We're going to be sitting there adding 1/2 of a teaspoon of cinnamon. So let's go ahead, grab some cinnamon. Here we go. Add that. We're going to need 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. So let's go ahead. Add the 1/4 teaspoon. And here we go with the 1/4 teaspoon. Then you're going to need 1 tablespoon of the cocoa powder. I have the 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder. Add that. Now, what's left is we need 1 tablespoon of our maple syrup. Haha, the old man put the cover on so tight he can't get it off. Big Kahuna to the rescue.
She's out there.
Okay, I said 1 tablespoon. Here's my 1 tablespoon. Let's add that. Now, I have my spoon. Let's go inside the Instant Pot. Give everything a good stir. Make sure all that hot chocolate or the cocoa powder is all nice and incorporated with everything in the Instant Pot. Now, I'm going to come down here and I'm going to turn my Instant Pot on. We're going to go over to adjust. We're going to make sure it's on the low setting because I don't want to ruin any of the properties inside of our hot chocolate. We're just going to let this all warm up. And while that's warming up, I figured it would be a great time to show you chaga. Y'all were wondering what it looks like. I can't show you any more of a close-up view than what I am showing you. But yes, this is chaga. This is what we're making the tea out of. And yes, we did harvest it ourselves. And I had to show you something. See this here? That's maple. Yeah, maple, not maple. Oh my goodness. That is birch sap. You can make a birch syrup just as you would maple syrup. I bet you didn't know that one either. Well, now you do. So, that's what chaga looks like. The chaga hot chocolate is warm, so I'm just going to come down here and we're going to turn off of our Instant Pot. Give it one last stir. And then we're going to sit there and ladle it into our cup, and we're going to enjoy a good cup of chaga hot chocolate. Here's our cup of chaga hot chocolate. Look at that. Now, if you liked what you saw here today with the chaga hot chocolate, please give me a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, welcome to our YouTube family. And if you're not yet a subscriber, why don't you join our family on over here by hitting that subscribe button, tapping that little bell. That way you'll always be notified every time I do put out a new video. And as always, here's to happy cooking, but better yet, happy eatings. Y'all come back now, you hear? Now, we're going to sit there and give this hot chocolate a good old taste test. So let's take a little sampling of it. Now, I know I'm going to burn my mouth on it because it is really hot. But I'm going to try my best to sit there and give you all what I honestly think of it. Oh yeah, that's really hot. Wow. Very impressive. Now, if I have to sit there and take my medicine of chaga, this is the way that I'm going to be going every time. Because I've already told you, I'm not a tea lover like my husband is. So, if I have to sit there and take some chaga tea, I'm going to be taking it in a hot chocolate form. And besides that, what a better way when the temperature is like 20 below zero or more most of the days where we are. Oh yeah, I'll take it this way. And of course, I suppose you all want the big kahuna to sit there and give his honest opinion of what he thinks chaga hot chocolate tastes like. So, oh, he's coming right away. It's chocolate.
Wow.
Hey, that's my medicine now. You got the tea. I got the hot chocolate. Okay. There you go. You heard it from him. Hey, Big Kahuna.
What?
On a scale of 1 to 5, what
5.
would... He never lets me finish. So when he answers that fast, you know he really enjoys it. Until next time, y'all stay healthy.